Hello guys, today in this video we are going to review femicore. So femicore is a very popular you can say like supplement which is very helpful for women, and you can say like this is a supplement for women, you can say like health. Okay, so does it really boost your you can say like your problems or your you can like issues? Does it really give you benefits, or does it really helpful for women or not? Okay, so if we talk about like this brand, the Femicure is a very you can say like not a unique brand. This is a name, okay, but the brand is different thing. So you can see like there are so many product available in the market. They are all available with different names, okay, but the product name is same, but the brand is different. So you can see like this product is available with the name of Nature's Wave, and the same product is available on internet with different name. I want to show you something. Like you can see this is also the same type of product with different name. You can see there is no name, but the brand is like something. I really don't know what is the name of the brand, like Comudule. Okay, so basically there are so many you guys like brands available on internet. They are selling the same type of product, but the actual thing is this is not a unique product. This is a totally drop shipping product, and drop shipping product are very bad. They will not provide you any kind of results after using 6 months or 3 months. Okay, so my suggestion is only this: save your money, don't try to buy these kind of product. They are totally waste of money, and after using product you will not get any kind of benefits, and you are going to lose your all the money after investing money. And there is no clinical trial, and there is no such kind of proof available on internet by which they can you can verify like the product is really worthy for you or not. Okay, so because the reviews is also not available on Trustpilot, and the product is also looking like not to you guess like unique, and there is no proof of certification, and there is no proof of clinical trials. So these are the basic issues. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.